like.
What's he got?
Firearm engineer's waiting.
Right, is it loaded?
It's loaded, yeah. That's what I'm telling
Is
you.
it real?
It's real, bro. That's why do you think I'm telling you?
Jesus.
It's real, it's loaded,
Right.
isn't it? So just be careful.
I'll take gloves, yeah.
No messing, fella.
I'm being deadly serious with you, bro. I'm saying
Yeah,
I
appreciate what
Right,
you're saying.
listen very carefully, alright?
Yeah.
Is it a real gun?
It's a real, bro.
And it's loaded,
bro.
yeah? Does the safety catch work on it?
There's not got a safety. Look, it's a drill. It's been drilled. Look, take it out. Take it out. I'll make it. I'll show you how to make it safe. Take it out.
No, I'll do that, mate.
And just press. Take the.
No, I'm not touching it. Right, do you want to nick in possession of a firearm? It's real, apparently. It's got to be forensic.